Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn still photos into moving animations using Kaiber AI, perfect for reels, music videos, or art projects. Let's get started. First, go to Kaiber AI and sign in. Then here click create and upload your photo and choose the animation style that you want. Then you can also add a text prompts to guide the AI like make it look dreamy with a glowing lights, then preview your animation. You can tweak if needed and hit render. But this Kyber AI is only available in upgraded version, so you need to subscribe to their application. And once download, you can use it in TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube edits. Remember that you need to upgrade a Kyber AI subscription or to animate still images. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.